नहीं होती. How? You have sung आचल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं एक ऐसे गगन के तले. मगर ये गगन के तले नहीं, ये कोट के तले आपको ले जाएगा. She has sung a song which is composed by S.D. Burman ji, written by Shailendra ji, sung by Kishore Kumar ji, published by Saregama, and the film producer of this is Kishore Kumar Productions. 5 log. Now, you have to run around and get 5 licenses. You have to find out where Kishore Kumar is. He's up. So how are you going to get him? You have to find out where Shailendra is and where Kishore Kumar and Saregama is. So you have to get in touch with 5 people to get permissions. You're sitting in Delhi. I presume Kishore Kumar is alive. And I presume you know the address. You need to contact him. You think Kishore Kumar has no other job than to attend to your phone call? I presume he attends your call. The question is, how much would you charge? How much would he charge you? Kishore Kumar can charge 100 rupees, I may charge 10 rupees, somebody else may charge 1000 rupees. There is no budgeting that you can do. Okay? This is where the deemed monopoly comes into play. Copyright societies are actually serving a very social cause. Unlike the very common impression that everybody has everywhere in India, that it is a villain. No. ये आप पर मेहरबानी कर रहा है, public पर मेहरबानी कर रहा है कि it is acting as a one window or as a pipeline, as a pipe between the owners and the user. So all the user needs to do is it needs to just pay one. So you need to pay one sound recording society. You need to pay one society which has all the composers and songwriters. You need to pay one society which has all the singers. And you need to pay one society which has all the film producers. And that's it. इतना तो हम रोज ही करते हैं, GST भरते हैं, income tax भरते हैं, ये करते हैं, वो करते ही हैं ना. So all that you need to do is this 4. And that's where the copyright societies come to play, where it gives you the freedom that during the whole year you can play any songs in the world for how many number of times you want by paying one single payment. And that's the answer to your question. That's where, yes, copyright societies are a monopoly, but they are a deemed and necessary monopoly for the administration of copyrights. And that's the service that copyright societies do. And in India, we have about, I think, 4 copyright societies now in existence, which are registered by the government of India. Yeah, so that's the answer.
Just to
Lakshmi, would you like to add anything more?
Just to add to what he said, Sanjay ji said, Madam, you don't have to pay anything if you come to me. What she did is, I'm not going by the 30 seconds rule. It was fair use. She just sang the song in the course of the event, so it all amounts to fair use and nothing is payable.
That's right. I just took it as an example. There are obviously section 52(1) exceptions which gives free it, so that's not an issue. I'm saying it. I just took it as an example for the song that you sung. That's all. So as Paytm, do you encounter any of these sort of problems that you have when you put up an image or when you put up a video and then there is suddenly a sound behind or some photograph behind the sound and there are claims against you because you are putting it. So do you anticipate that's happening?
So, well, we haven't come across any of such issue, and whenever any video is being made or whenever any image is being uploaded, a proper agreement is being executed with the production houses or social media influencers, whosoever is promoting that or whosoever is taking the image, whosoever is producing that ads for us. So a proper agreements are being executed wherein we take care of all the IP related clauses, and the infringement of it has also been absolutely captured into it, so that we are ultimately secured. And no, I haven't come across any of such thing. And I've recently come across one issue wherein the image was put in by in a blog by somebody, and we got our ultimate claim that you have used the image without the permission of the owner of that particular image, and then either you can take it down or you pay for the same by obtaining a license. So we have ultimately paid for the usage and took it down from all the platforms. So it's a very important point that whenever we are taking down the image, you don't have to take it down only from the blog. There are Google indexes also, wherein the Google search engine also, wherein the copies of images are there. And even though you have taken down the image or removed the same or deleted the same, from all the available channels known to you, but there are still Google indexes which copies and tracks that particular image, and you'll have to ask Google to delete that. And till that particular image is not deleted, your image will be populated, or it will be there, and you will be still infringing upon the rights of that particular owner. So that's the new thing which has come up.
Yeah, it's like wo bachcha haath se nikal gaya.
Right. So once
It's already gone in the digital world, and therefore it becomes very difficult to take it back. Because it's just not in one store that, okay, you remove it from one store. It's public online, and that's the whole challenge of the online environment, where if it is pirated, you really can't do anything much into it once it's pirated. And, let me also give you because I've just been told that there is a little time. So let me give you this information also. Do you know how I got the performers' rights changed by the parliament with the unanimous approval? Our parliament in 2000 and getting it done unanimously was a big thing. So do you know how I got it? Now let's play this game of a guess. Can you all tell me, you all have heard this song? All is well. Three Idiots ka everybody has heard. Ye kya ho raha hai bhai? Sound wala. Sorry? हाँ, Three Idiots का है. So, this song was sung by Sonu Nigam. How much do you think Sonu Nigam would have been paid for this? According to your, कितना मिलना चाहिए सोनू निगम को ये गाना गाने का? आपके हिसाब से? Take a call. Huh? 20 lakhs, okay. Any other figure? 20 crores. Any other figure? Huh? Huh? 2 crores. Okay. Any other guesses? Oh, from वहाँ से आवाज नहीं आई भाई, वहाँ से बोलो. Come on, girls sitting behind. 4 crores. Wow. How I wish Sonuji would have been here. I'll definitely tell him this when I go back to my room. If this is the crores and the amounts that a singer of a Sonu Nigam caliber would get, I'm before the camera here, you can send it, and I'm under INBA. Singers should not get copyright. Okay? The public should be allowed to use his song free. But why is there copyright, Because this person called Sonu Nigam for this song called All Is Well was paid 20,000 rupees. I have in my records, I'm not carrying it here, but I have on my records, 18,000 rupees ka check, 10% TDS. And this check actually got me to get the law amended. Because ऐसे ही मैंने question किए थे parliamentarian से, because there was a 52 JPC that was appointed, and I asked every JPC member कि सोनू निगम को इसका कितना मिलना चाहिए, तो ऐसा ही हुआ, 50 लाख किसी ने बोला, किसी ने 10 करोड़ बोला, किसी ने 2 करोड़ बोला. And I put it on record, it is in parliamentary records, saying that if that is the case, don't pay the singers at all. No copyright is required. This is why copyright is required. You think a Sonu Nigam can run his family in 20,000 rupees? ये गाने ने 100 करोड़ बनाया है. And Sonu Nigam gets 20,000 rupees. That's where the injustice is. And that's where things are required to be set right. So that I thought, let me tell you that. Yes, sir. That's an interesting. You see, okay, let me address this. Let me address this. Because I was talking copyright and I was talking royalties. What you are talking is remuneration, and every artist has got different streams of revenue. One stream of revenue is his mehtana. So what you are talking of is mehtana. The point is that he's coming and entertaining in a particular event, therefore he needs to be paid. And that's the reason why these artists start charging so much. Because they're not getting here. They're not in the place where they should get. They're not getting royalties, that means they're not getting any pension, etc. All they have is, भाई जब तक कि शरीर चल रहा है, जब तक कि लोग उनको पूछ रहे हैं, if a Sonu Nigam is down, which he was,